you can reset your entire Windows 11 computer and keep all your personal files. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to reset Windows 11 PC to factory settings without losing your personal files. Whether you are fixing performance issues or just want to clean slate, this method is safe and easy. Let's get started. Okay, first open Settings app. First open the Settings app. Just click Start menu, then Settings. Okay, here click on System. Then Recovery. Then click on Reset this PC. Okay, here choose an option. Keep my files. Remove apps settings but keeps your personal files. Choose to remove everything. Remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. You have to select keep my files. Click on here. Then here, how would you like to reinstall Windows? Cloud download and reinstall Windows, or local reinstall. Reinstall Windows from this device. Click local reinstall here. Click here. Then change. Okay. Next. Look here. Ready to reset this PC. Resetting will change setting back to their defaults. Keep personal files. Reinstall Windows from this device. Remove all apps and programs. Okay, this will take a while and your PC will restart. Look here, view apps that will be removed. Click this one. From this, Active Presenter is removed. Intel or Present Graphics removed. Microsoft Edge, Microsoft OneDrive, Outtake, Outlook. All of these apps are what? Removed. Okay, back here. Then reset. Click on reset.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. ICT question.